Dr. John, my next question is for you. So I have few friends who recently got tattoos and piercings. Few of them actually smoke tobacco, cigarettes, and consume alcohol. And they've been asking me like if they can go ahead and donate.
Yeah, so when it comes to tattoo and ear piercings, so from the day of you getting a tattoo or an ear piercing, so we would like you to wait for an year and then come ahead and donate blood. Uh, the one of the reasons is because of the risk of transmission of infective viruses such as hepatitis. Even though currently, most of the places, I mean, like what I've seen is most of these cities they use a very sterile needle for putting a tattoo as well as ear piercing. So they open it right in front of you and they discard it. So in spite of these things, we like to also take a measure also, like, because we never know where what happens. So it's like a closet telling that okay, we'll have to wait for close to like 12 months, not close to 12 months, 12 months indeed, for you to donate after you get a ear piercing or a tattoo. Another thing is for smokers and people who consume alcohol, if you're regularly consuming alcohol, then there might be a problem. Then you will have to be very careful as to like, so you'll have to assess yourself as well as like, when you actually come to the blood bank to donate, there will be a doctor who will ask you, whether you're regularly consuming alcohol. If you're regularly consuming alcohol, the problem comes with you might be having issues with your liver. You might be also not in the healthiest of your mind, in the state of mind. So you might be having fears, and also during the process of donation, when they see, they might get paranoid. They might be having other feelings for people who consume alcohol regularly. So but the thing is, if you're an occasional or a social drinker, it's okay if you consumed alcohol the previous day and you have a gap of 12 hours at least. And for people who smoke, if you have smoked in the morning right before you come for donation, it's not very ideal, because smoking is a stressful thing and it pushes up your inflammation in your body. So when you inhale smoke, the lungs and the WBCs go up. So that's one thing which we are actually concerned about. So we'll also have to ask them, okay, when have you smoked a cigarette? And if it's close to 4 hours, if it's 4 hours, then I think it should be okay with us. So we should leave a gap of at least 4 hours for the previous time they had actually taken tobacco or they smoked a cigarette.
So just to summarize, ear piercings and tattoos will be 1 year gap.
Yes,
Alcohol will be 12 hours.
12
And
hours.
smoking will be 4 hours.
Yes. And regular drinkers will have to be more careful as to like what
So
exactly
basically,
has
they have to
happened.
be honest about their drinking. There's nobody judging them. They have to
Yeah.
honestly tell that how much alcohol they consume, how frequently they consume, and when was their last drink.
Yes. From my experiences, they usually they say they usually when they come to donate blood, they usually don't hide things. They usually, from my experiences, but it can be different at different places. Yes.